Episode 24, Crafting Your Content Marketing Essentials. Hey everyone, welcome back to your Starter Business today. If you're an entrepreneur eager to elevate your brand and engage your audience, you're in the perfect place. Today we're diving deep into the world of content marketing. By the end of our session, you'll have a toolkit of strategies to create compelling content that not only captures attention, but also drives customer action. So let's jump right in. Scene 1. What is content marketing? First things first. What exactly is content marketing? Essentially, it's a strategic approach that focuses on creating, distributing, and managing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage a defined audience. This creates trust and drives profitable customer actions. Keywords to remember: content marketing, a method for creating valuable content to engage an audience. Value creation, the idea of delivering information that truly benefits your audience. So why is content marketing such a game changer for your business? It builds your authority in your niche, nurtures relationships with potential customers, and increases brand awareness, all leading to higher conversion rates. Remember, the goal of content marketing is not just to sell, but to provide value first. Scene 2. The components of content marketing. Next, let's dive into the key components of a successful content marketing strategy, focusing on 4 critical areas. 1. Target audience. Knowing who you're speaking to is paramount. 2. Content creation. Here's where you craft meaningful and engaging content. 3. Distribution. It's all about sharing your content effectively with your audience. 4. Analytics and optimization. Measure the impact of your content to continually refine and enhance your approach. Now let's break each of these down further. Scene 3. Understanding your target audience. First, let's tackle understanding your target audience. To resonate with your audience, you need to know them inside out. Here are actions you can take. Conduct market research. Utilize surveys, conduct interviews, or analyze existing customer data. What are their needs and pain points? Create customer personas. Develop detailed personas that represent your typical customers. Include demographics like age, income level, interests, and responsibilities. This gives you a clear picture of who you're creating content for. Utilize social listening. Monitor what your customers are saying online. Social media is a goldmine for insights. By understanding your audience deeply, you can create content that truly resonates and meets their needs. Scene 4. Content creation. Strategies. Now let's talk about the core of content marketing, content creation. The creation process can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some strategies. 1. Choose your content types. Think about what types of content speak to your audience. Consider blog posts, great for SEO and driving traffic. Videos, perfect for engaging viewers and providing information quickly. Infographics, visual storytelling, a powerful way to simplify complex information. Create a content calendar. Outline your topics and posting schedule. A content calendar helps you plan your content in advance, ensures consistency, and keeps your team aligned. You can use tools like Trello, Asana, or even a simple spreadsheet. 3. Make it engaging. Use storytelling techniques to make your content relatable. Combine visuals, videos, and personal anecdotes. Don't forget to include strong calls to action. 4. Optimize for SEO. Implement basic SEO practices. Use keywords naturally within your content. Optimize your headings and subheadings. Include meta descriptions and alt texts for images. By making engaging content, you can captivate your audience and foster brand loyalty. Scene 5. Distribution methods. Creating amazing content is only half the battle. You must distribute it effectively. Here's how you can maximize your content reach. 1. Social media platforms. Each platform is unique. Tailor your content accordingly. Share snippets or quotes from your articles on platforms like Twitter. Use visual posts on Instagram or engaging videos on TikTok to attract attention. Email. Marketing. Build a list of subscribers and segment them to deliver targeted content. Create newsletters or special updates featuring your latest blog posts, videos, or offers. 3. Collaborate and guest post. Reach out to industry leaders for guest posting opportunities. Provide value with your content, and you can gain exposure to their audience too. Paid advertising. Consider investing in social media ads or Google AdWords for your top-performing pieces. Paid ads can dramatically increase your reach and drive traffic quickly. Scene 6. Analytics and optimization. Now, let's move on to a crucial aspect: analytics and optimization. Here's how to effectively measure your content's performance. Set clear KPIs. Key performance indicators are essential metrics that measure success. Common KPIs for content marketing might include page views, average time spent on a page, bounce rate, engagement rates, likes, shares, comments, conversion rates too. Utilize analytics tools. Google Analytics is a must-have. It provides insights into website traffic and user behavior. Social media platforms also have analytics features showing engagement metrics. 3. Evaluate and adjust. Regularly review your content performance. Are there specific topics that resonate more with your audience? Are there certain formats that perform better than others? Use this data to refine your content strategy. For example, if video content drives more engagement, consider creating more videos. By continually measuring and adjusting, you can optimize your content marketing strategy and improve your results over time. Scene 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's round out our training by discussing some common pitfalls to avoid in content marketing. 1. Inconsistent posting. Inconsistency can frustrate your audience. Stick to your content calendar to maintain regularity. 2. Ignoring audience feedback. Neglecting to listen to your audience can mean missing valuable insights. Engage with comments and conduct surveys to find out what your audience really wants. 3. Focusing solely on sales. Content marketing is about nurturing relationships, not overt selling. Focus on creating value that fosters trust and engagement. 4. Neglecting SEO. Don't skip SEO. If your content isn't optimized, it can get lost in the vastness of the internet. 5. Overcomplicating content. Keep it simple and accessible. Complicated jargon can alienate your audience. Aim for clarity. Scene 8. The importance of continuous learning. Content marketing is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the game, you must prioritize continuous learning. Here are a few tips to keep your skills sharp. 1. Follow industry leaders. Subscribe to blogs and podcasts from top marketers. This will provide you with insights into emerging trends and best practices. 2. Join webinars and workshops. Participate in live training sessions to enhance your skills and network with fellow entrepreneurs. 3. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new formats or channels. Testing is part of the process. What works today might not work next year, so keep adapting. Engage in networking, connect with other content marketers. They can provide different perspectives and tips to refine your strategy. Staying updated will ensure your content marketing strategy remains relevant and effective. Scene 9. Closing thoughts. As we wrap up today's session, remember that crafting a successful content marketing strategy involves understanding your audience, creating valuable content, distributing it wisely, and measuring your success through analytics. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And I want to hear from you. What steps are you excited to implement in your sales funnel? Share your thoughts in the comments below.